Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Head complements and modifier. Projection from lexical hits to praise. Internal PS external syntax. As we have seen in the previous chapter, both syntax categories NP, AP, PV, PP, and grammatical function, subject, complement, and modifier play important roles in the analysis of English sentence. We have also observed that the grammatical function and from to each constituent depend on here it occurs or what is combined with. The combinatory properties of words and phrase involve two aspects of syntax, internal and external syntax. Internal syntax deals with how a given phrase itself is constructed in a well-formed manner, whereas in external syntax is concerned with how a phrase can be used in a large contraction. Observe the following example. 1. A. John put his gold. B. John put under the bathtub. C. John put his gold safe. D. John put his gold to be under the bathtub. E. John put his gold under the bathtub. Why is only the X table? Simple because only it satisfies the condition that the verb put select an NP and a PP as its complements, and it combines with them in PV. In the other example, its condition is not fulfilled. These combinatory requirements start from the internal or lexical properties of the verb put and is not related to any external properties of the PV. In contrast, the external syntax with concern with the external environment in which a phrase occurs. Some of the unacceptable example in one can be legitimate expression in they occur in the proper syntax context. 2. A. This is the book in which John put his gold. B. This is the gold then John put under the bathtub. Meanwhile, the will form PV in Lee can be unacceptable depending on external context. For example, consider frame induced by the governing verb kept in 3. 3. A. The king kept put his gold under the bathtub. B. The king kept putting his gold under the bathtub. The PV put his gold under the bathtub is a well-formed phrase, but can occur in 3A since this is not the environment where such a finite VP occurs. That is, the verb kept requires the presence of a grounded PV like putting his gold under the bathtub, and therefore impose an external constraint on PPS. Notion of head complements and modifier. One important property we observe in English phrase is internal syntax is that the building up any phrase. There is one obligatory element in each phrase. That is, each phrase has one essential element as represented in the diagrams. The critical element here is the essential obligatory element within the given phrase. We count this essential element the head of the press. The head of each press thus determines its projection into a large press constituent. The head of an MP is thus and the head of a PV is V and the head of an AP is A. The notion of headness plays an important role in the grammar. For example, the verb put function as the head of a PV dictates what it must combine with to complement NP and PP. Consider other example. 5a. The dependent denied the accusation. B. The dependent denied. 6. The teacher handed the student a book. B. The teacher handed the student. The verb denied here requires an NP object, whereas handed recurs to NP complements. In use, the properties of the head verb itself determine what kind of element it will combine with us. As noted in the previous chapter, the elements which a head verb should combine with are called complements. The complements include direct object, indirect object, predicative complement, and oblique complement signs. These are all potentially required by some verb or other. The properties of the heads become properties of the whole press. Why are the example in 7b and 8b ungrammatical? 7a. The one to leave the meeting. B. They age to leave the meeting. The example in 7b and 8b are unacceptable because of the absence of the required head. The unacceptable example like a finite tense is PV as the bracket part. But we know that English sentence require infinite PV as their immediate constituent informally represented as in 9. English declarative sentence rule. Each declarative sentence must contain a finite PV. Each finite PV is headed by a finite verb. If we amend the ungrammatical example above to include a verb but not a finite one, they are still ungrammatical. 10a. They too eager to leave the meeting. B. The senator to be certain of the incident is telling a lie. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.